Hi there, welcome you to Virendra Diyar channel from Nani city, Bibinagar, Telangana state of India. Dear friends, life is not a bed of roses. With all its same drudgery and broken dreams, life is just beautiful. We have to be cheerful and we have to be happy. So when we are undergoing through some kind of acid test, nature is trying to test our courage, conviction, determination, passion, belief and faith in our own integrated power of personality. We should not break. We should still maintain our patience, courage and all these beautiful attributes which I have just conveyed to you. Never yield. Otherwise become coward. When we are in need of some kind of things which is very urgent, we also become very docile and submissive and try to get some help from the person who really does not respect us. The people who do not have respect for us, but under compelling circumstances we become timid. Excuse me, and we want to take their help and support. In my lifetime also so many opportunities have come when I also become little timid and try to seek help from the people who really do not respect. Because very few people are on globe who really respect you, love you, care for you, try to support you, try to appreciate you, and try to motivate you and encourage you. I am fortunate. I have so many such great people which can be counted only on finger. Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, Dr. Ramana Rao, Dr. Satnarayana, Dr. Pingal Lady. Few people are so great who have always stood by me through thick and thin. But there were also some fair weather friends. When I was very rich and famous, I hold a very responsible post, a faculty from IIT Kharagpur, doctorate from IIT Kharagpur in physics and meteorology, very powerful person in cosmophysics, and so many great organizations because I move with the might of my own power of personality. It is not dawned on me by somebody. I'm not a beggar. I'm very hardworking. That's why I call myself Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. Born James Bond. Yes, really a hero. But what I mean to say, when we are in trouble, we sometimes become helpless and we seek some help. Don't do that. Don't do that. And then I give you an example of Maharana Pratap, one of the greatest of Indian history, real hero who is adored and worshipped by every patriotic Indian. When the Mughal Emperor Akbar captured and conquered and everyone was compelled to surrender, some of the devil, some of the meanest of the mankind, Man Singh gave his sister also, Yodha Bai, for sexual relationship, from whom Jahangir was born. And same attitude he has towards the cousin brother of Man Singh, it was Maharana Pratap. He just requested him that you accept, I quote, Akbar said, you accept me as your emperor and I will not disturb you, and whatever you like you can give in return. He was defeated in the battle of Haldi Ghati. It was really very sad. Probably I remember the date, it was, very miserable, pathetic. And he has to run away to the forest in the hidings because Akbar wanted to kill him through Man Singh. He has daughters. He was also a very rich man. He has some 18 children and dozens of wives. He was moving in the forest, hiding here. No food, no shelter, nothing. His children were eating grass and so many of them died. And then he was very upset when he saw when his daughter was eating grass bread, a wild cat came and captured that bread from her hand and she was crying. The heart of the greatest, the most powerful all-time great, Maharaja Pratap melted and he took a vow to surrender to Akbar. He started writing a surrendering letter, and then he was advised by one of his great, who was in the court of Akbar, Prithviraj. Don't get confused with Prithviraj Chauhan. There can be so many Prithviraj. They never do that. And it was right. Maharaja Pratap died at the age of 58 years only, but he is an icon. He is our role model. So dear friends, I request you, ups and downs is life, but never go to a person who does not respect you, who look down upon you. And I had some people, you see the house in the forest. This Nani city, it is a forest area. Where is this house? I am a fakir yogi, so I stay in the house which is not painted at all because I don't have money. And that man was coming to my house with his girlfriends for some kind of picnic. But when I was in crisis of finance, he treated me just like a slave. And he sold my land also to recover some of the money he has given just out of courtesy. I forgave him, but I never surrendered before him because Maharaja Pratap is my role model. Never surrender, never, never, never surrender. When up against trouble, meet it squarely face to face. When up against trouble, meet it squarely face to face. Lift your chin and set your shoulders and plant your feet and take a breath. That's the spirit. Never change the history by curse and regret. Though you may be hamper and harm, but those who fight a good fight, they are always remember. Never, never surrender. Thank you, friends. I love you and care for you.